You ever feel like you just need to disappear? Not for attention, not to escape, but to finally rebuild, privately, quietly, for real. You're not broken, you're just buried under too much noise, too many expectations. Give me a few minutes and I'll show you how to disappear and come back completely transformed without telling a single person. Real change doesn't happen when everyone's watching. Think about it. Butterflies don't grow wings in public. They lock themselves in a dark little shell, and when they come out, no one recognizes them. That's the kind of transformation I'm talking about. But most people never get there. Why? Because they're stuck, needing validation, likes, constant connection. They're on 24/7, always performing, never becoming. So if your life feels off, if you feel stuck in a version of yourself you don't even like anymore, it might be time to go quiet for a while.
Here's something nobody talks about. The more people watch you grow, the harder it is to actually grow. Because suddenly, you're not doing it for you. You're doing it for them. You're chasing applause before you've even changed. You start shaping your identity around how you look, not how you feel. And that's when it all starts to crack. You don't need to leave the planet. You just need to leave the noise. Here's how to start your silent transformation. Step 1, vanishing ritual. Pick a date, mark it. From that day, you go quiet. No stories, no updates, no explanations. Step 2, digital detox. Log out. Turn off notifications. Delete shortcuts to your old identity. Step 3, mirror work. Ask yourself, who am I when no one's watching? Write it down. That's the real you. Step 4, daily craft. Pick a single habit or skill. Go obsessively deep on it. Let it rebuild your confidence from scratch. This is your cocoon phase. No one needs to understand it. Only you do.
Here's the part no one tells you. Transformation feels like dying because your old self resists. It begs for comfort, for distraction, for people to notice you again. You'll want to check in to prove you're making progress, to hear someone say, "You're doing great." Don't. Your greatest power lies in who you become in the dark. Because when there's no audience, you find out what you're really made of. Growth isn't loud, it's lonely. And that's why most people avoid it. And then, one day, you'll wake up different. You won't even need to say anything. People will notice. The way you speak, the way you move, the way you don't chase attention anymore. They'll ask, where have you been? What happened to you? And all you'll say is, I've been working. Because your presence will tell the rest. So, if you're feeling lost, if you're stuck in a version of you that doesn't fit anymore, here's your sign. To disappear. To leave behind the noise, the fake friendships, the digital addiction, and build something real. Don't wait for the right moment. Just pick a moment and make it right. And if you need help cutting distractions, watch this video. It's the reset button your brain's been begging for. Lock in before the old you pulls you back.